Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you a display function, a set cursor function, and set title function. So I'm going to show you the display function. So what does this display function mean? Display function, this is path and then the type. So the type can be image or web, but I'm going to show you image. So I'm going to display this path and then so when you display you will see this, but then let me change the path. So you can see this is display, but if you try to use something that is invalid or the path does not exist, it will return to TKN. I don't know why, but this is the trash back here. Okay, so the next thing is I will show you what is set title. Set title is just set the title or change the title. So for example like this. So see, this is changing to just a normal title. And then I will show you what does set cursor mean. So here is. See, but when we set this into, you will see this. Set this into 5 and 5, but there's no space here. So but if you just do this and then print A, it will not work because you need to configure auto fixed cursor to 0 or false, and then you can do this. See, it worked. So thank you guys for watching. I hope I see you again in the next video. Goodbye.